everyone, welcome back to my channel, where today we're going to explore the top 10 most stunning natural wonders of the world travel video with introduction. Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the top 10 most stunning natural wonders of the world. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an unforgettable trip. Starting off at number 10. We have the breathtaking Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah, USA. This park is home to towering rock formations that stretch up towards the sky, creating a truly awe-inspiring sight. Next up at number 9 is the majestic Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA. With its vast depth and size, this natural wonder will leave you in awe of Mother Nature's handiwork. At number 8, we head to Brazil to explore the incredible Iguazu Falls on the border of Brazil and Argentina. With over 275 cascades in total, these falls are a sight to behold. Coming in at number 7 is the extraordinary Devil's Throat Waterfall in Argentina. Known for its unique shape and stunning appearance, this natural wonder is definitely worth a visit. Next up at number 6 is the impressive cliffs of Moher in Ireland. These towering cliffs stretch for an impressive 14 kilometers along Ireland's western seaboard and offer breathtaking views of both land and sea. Moving on to number 5, we have Fiordland National Park in New Zealand. Home to some of the most beautiful waterfalls found nowhere else on Earth, this park is truly a hidden gem. At number 4, we travel to Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. This natural wonder boasts more than double the flow rate of Niagara Falls and makes for an unforgettable experience. Hey there, fellow adventurers! If you've been dreaming about exploring some truly unique places around our beautiful planet Earth, but aren't sure where to start or how to plan it all out, don't worry. I've got your back with my new travel video series. Let's go travel together. In this series, I'll take you along on my journey,